Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to find Messenger ID. So you have to just open your Messenger app on the Android device. So when it's open, you have to click to the top left of the three horizontal lines of settings. So you have to click to the corner of settings, and there is, you can see, active status below the username. You have to click on the username where you can find the Messenger ID. So there is Mary Sultan 12 is the messenger ID. So if you want to share with someone, you have to copy the link. You have to just one click on the copy link, so it will be automatically copied. So where you can find your messenger ID. So hopefully it's very easy steps. You can go to the your messenger settings, and there you can find your messenger ID. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.